Menteri rangba kejela Konrad ke sangma ha ka arpnyo trik jemang. Ula kentan ika jingkeno jong presiden ke Kongres uba Vincent H. Pala. Baka NPP kan samat ika jingale hapo ka parti namar ka election Rajya Sabha. Da ka bakintu ba un penlejingmet shwa ika jingapat ya pra hapo ka seng Kongres. Haba jubab halor ki jingkeno jong uba Pala baka don ka jingakan an hapo ka NPP. Konrad ulaong baka parti jong katrikam hakalenti jong kasensyar pait ba bat omling ba ki bor ki pahalor. Ngirapan pau syai ha kabaya day bat ke National People's Party. Ngiyat hakalenti jong kasensyar pait ba ulaong haba benram. Kamdan kanu kanu kabenta ba ki bor bahalor kinwan bantuklar ha kabaya day bat ki jing shimrai. Ulaong baka NPP kasyanya hakajinga keren balai duit. Hashwa ban shime kinu kirai. Penyo i bahai ki babun ki man bat ki jingjai ki badan. Kajudan bet ka jingmi ke babha. Ki jingatai ki ba bat ki batei ki day ki bajiyai mi shwa ban shime kinu kirai ki bakado. Hoot hai kita ki jingalangin keren lot iki baro ki bangi kwa ban ong. Watla ka day ka ba ngangamla ban pedang ru. Kani ka day ka rukam trekam jong ka sensyar pait ba ka batei. Bat ka diru ka nongrim ka bangi kum ka parti ngila ai ka jing syakri ka bangi la penya syakman ula benram. Namar kata ai bangan penti kena ya uba pala ba dan kam ban kuslai ru ha ka baya day bat kino jing orpait hapo ka seng NPP. Henry uday ban kam penle jingmot jing orpait hapo ka seng Kongres pen pau Konrad. Kijing epher ha kijing pensngo hapo ka seng NPP kidai ki bahaban jia. Henry ka parti ka phai khmat na ka benta ka jingmantoy ka bakam kongsan. Henry klem artatin, ngidan hang ni banya lang. Henry hoot ngidan lagi jong gijing pensngo bat gijing pen i. Bat kata ka de ka rukam ka badai ban long na ka benta ya unu uriu shimet ulaong. Henry hakabakut hi jong kasngi, ngin le ya ka ka badai na ka benta ka baha ka miat jong ka seng, bat ka bakam kongsan na ka benta ka baha ka miat jong ka jela ulaong. Ha kabaya day bat ke election Rajya Sabha ka banwan. Konrad ulaong baka seng kadang beteng ban penlong ya ka jinga keren ya selok. Da ka babu jingmot ha kabaya day bat ke election Rajya Sabha ka banwan. Ngilong ki basyai bha bakan sadan biang ka jinga keren ya selok kat kum ka sensyar pait ba. Baro ki MLA ka banlong ki nong tep vote pakongsan kinsa syong banya keren bat syim ya karai. Kumno ban penya syakmat benrap Konrad sangma.
When it comes to the National People's Party, we are very, very democratic in our process. There is no, concept of high command coming in and bulldozing a decision. You will see that in most of the issues and cases that are there is always a very, very positive, critical, and a constructive discussion that takes place before we finalize on anything. And yes, in that meeting, we'll say everything that we want to say, even if it means that I don't agree with you. And that's how our healthy democracy works. And that's how we believe, and the principle on the basis of which we as a party, and even in governance, that we are moving forward. So therefore, let me assure Mr. Pala that he doesn't have to worry about the any kind of cracks in the NPP. I mean, maybe he has to see more of the cracks in Congress. But definitely we are here to work together. But yes, we have our views, we have our opinions. That is natural for any individual. But at the end of the day, we will do what is in the best interest of the party, and more importantly, what is in the best interest of the state. Keep in mind the coming Rajya Sabha elections. We are very clear. It is going to be a democratic process again, and all the party members, all the party MLAs, most importantly, who are going to be the main voters, we'll sit down and discuss and then decide on how we should move forward.